There's growing outrage this evening from the family of a missing teenager who says the authorities failed them in their desperate search for their relative. Following a broken promise and limited support, the family insists they have been left to shoulder the burden alone. More in this report.
What began as a simple Sunday ritual between a father and son ended in unthinkable tragedy and days of anguish. For years, 15-year-old Kadra Bennett and his father Garrett spent their Sundays at the river. But this past Sunday would mark their final trip together. Kadra, a Fern Court High student, had wandered down to the river mouth with friends while his father cooked nearby. Moments later, everything changed.
After a few minutes, I looked up and I did not see them. And I stepped out in the open to look where they were. And I saw that they had gone down to the river. So I shouted to them, told them to come back up to me because I don't want them down there. In the space of them coming back to me, they were on a blew-up tube. And my son stepped off the tube. The water from the river washed him away. And he entered the water once and did not come back up.
The police were notified, but it wasn't until early Monday morning a search began, led by family members and a JDF unit. However, heavy rain forced the operation to be halted until Tuesday. Tuesday brought nothing, no sign of Kadra. By Wednesday, the family clung to the hope that the JDF would continue the search, a promise given. But that hope was shattered when no team arrived.
We are here at 5 today, Wednesday, and we haven't seen them as yet. I have been calling from morning, called so much, and still nothing. So we don't know what to do from here on. We need a little help. At least today is the day that they said the body would be floating, and we haven't seen anyone even to give us a boat circle to see, or a drone. We have to be doing everything for ourselves.
For his mother, Natalie Johnson, the disappointment cut deeply.
So I was keeping my hope up that I'm going to find my baby today because I just want to find him. I just want to see him. And I thought I would see him today, but it turned up. No, yesterday was, and
nothing from the JDF.
Nothing. I don't see the JDF. The police came earlier today because they said they get a call and they come and talk. And they end up left after a while.
Now the family is left at the shoreline, staring into the waves, grappling with the harsh reality that the boy they adore may never come home.
I just want to find him. I just want to find him. I just want to find him.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.